Volume 1. Hello, Obophiles! Are you the kind of person who finds it difficult to play other instruments? I know I do. But today I wanted to try playing this Ferling Etude number 1 on the English horn. The English horn looks like a big old oboe, but it responds a little bit different, and the intonation tendencies are just a little bit strange to me right now. So I wanted to practice English horn more and get better at it. I haven't really played it in the last few years, so I'm trying to get back in shape on it. And I'm noticing that a lot of things that are easy on the oboe are not so easy on the English horn, like playing smooth and playing in tune. So I'm going to work on that in the next few weeks, and I'm going to re-record this etude, and we'll see if I can get any better at it. See if I can get a little smoother and more effortless singing on the English horn. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe so you see that video when it comes out, so you can heckle me on the next rendition of this etude and other English horn things in the future. And as always, when in doubt, play beautifully.